Welcome back to another video of most exciting round match of the FIFA World Cup 2026 as South Africa take on Canada. This is historic match because neither nation has ever won a World Cup knockout game. One team will make history by reaching the round of 16 while the other will see their football dream come to an end. Both teams fought very hard during the group stage and now every mistake could be difference between victory and elimination. Canada entered this tournament with high expectations as one of the World Cup co-hosts. Millions of Canadian fans believed their team could make a deep run. During the group stage, Canada showed both their strengths and weaknesses. They produced some exciting attacking football and scored plenty of goals, but they also had moments where their defense looked vulnerable. Still, finishing second in the group was enough to hook a place in the knockout stage, where every match is like a final. Canada's biggest strength is the quality of their attacking players. Jonathan David is one of the most dangerous striker in the international football. His movement inside the penalty box, finishing ability and calmness under pressure make him Canada's biggest goal threat. Alongside him, Cy Larin provides experience and physical strength. When these two work together, they create constant problems for defenders. Canada also have Alphonso Davies, one of the fastest players in the world football. Whether he plays as a full back or the winger, his incredible speed allows Canada to attack quickly and stretch any defense. Canada's midfield also deserves attention. Stephen Asticchio controls the tempo of the game with accurate passing and intelligent positioning. Young midfielders bring plenty of energy, helping Canada press high with possession. Also quickly, their ability to move the ball from defense to attack makes Canada a dangerous team against opponents who leave space behind. Defensively, Canada have improved under the coaching staff. Their center backs are physically strong and good in the air. Goalkeepers Diane St. Clair has also produced several important saves throughout the tournament. However, Canada sometimes struggle when the opponents attack quickly through the middle or exploit spaces behind their attacking fullbacks. Their defensive moments and could become important against South Africa. Now let's look at South Africa. Simply reaching the knockout stage is already one of the greatest achievements in South African football history. Many people expected them to struggle during the group stage, but they surprised everyone with disciplined defending, teamwork, and incredible determination. Instead of relying on one of the superstars, South Africa play as united team where every player works hard for each other. South Africa's biggest strength is their organization. They defend with discipline, remain compact, and make it very difficult for opponents to find space. They do not usually dominate possession, but they know how to frustrate stronger teams. During the group stage, they proved that they can stay patient and wait for the right opportunity before launching quick counterattacks. Lyle Foster will become one of the South Africa's most important players. His pace, work rate, and ability to hold up the ball give South Africa an outlet wherever they recover possession. Midfielders Thibaut Mokano also play a huge role. He wins tackles, break up position attack, and start dangerous counter attack with accurate long passes. Captain Ronwen Williams has been outstanding in goal making, several important saves that helped South Africa reach in this stage of the tournament. One of the biggest tactical battles will be Canada's attack against South Africa's defense. Canada will likely dominate possession and spend long periods attacking. South Africa will probably defend with many players behind the ball, hoping to keep the score level before looking for chances on the counter attack. If South Africa can frustrate Canada during the first half, pressure will begin to build on Canadian player and the match could become much more open. The battle between Alphonso Davies and South Africa's right side could decide the game. Davies' pace is almost impossible to stop once reach full speed. South Africa's defenders must stay disciplined and avoid giving him space to run into. If Davies start creating crosses in plenty area, and also Jonathan David and Sakil Larin have excellent opportunities to score. Another key battle will take place in midfield. Canada's midfield like to control possession and dictate the pace of the game. South Africa will need to press aggressively without losing their defensive shape. If they allow Canada too much time on the ball, Canada will eventually create enough chances to score. However, if South Africa win the midfield battle, they can make this very comfortable Canadian side. South Africa vs Canada match is actually a most thrilling match in this World Cup recently. And according to the situation, let's start with the goalkeeper. Canadian Dane Stacey Claire has enjoyed an excellent tournament so far. He has made several important points. We will back with another exciting video after this preview and